What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now this one's gonna be a pretty fast one. Unfortunately, I've been having issues with my turbo, pretty much the turbo nuts backing up. So after consulting our groups over on Facebook, I believe it was Burn All MK4s, we received pretty good feedback from Facebook, and yeah, I believe we have found what is going to be our permanent solution. One of those being these called Nordlocks. Yeah, these look pretty cool. Never seen them before. Everyone mentioned them, so we're gonna install these. Also, for nuts, I bought new ones, and I got these rainbow looking because that was the only thing available now. These have a little lock right there. You can see it. These are supposedly titanium, so yeah, these should do the trick. And just to make things a little bit interesting, I plan on putting some RTV, some silicone on the thread, just to, I don't know, just in case. Maybe this could help reduce a little bit of vibration. I did make a research for the Loctite, and I believe Loctite only handles up to 300 degrees, which is not hot enough, and I think this one should go over 500. Correct me if I'm wrong. It actually doesn't state back here or in the front, but since it's like for like, you know, gaskets, for like the oil pan gasket, that gets pretty hot, so I'm assuming it should help out, at least, you know, give it some trouble. So yep, with this and that, we'll get started. As you can see, already tried doing a bit of installation from the UROTuning triangle, but I think it was more on my end. I failed to do it correctly. I just didn't have enough space to do it. Oh, got one. all done. Alright guys, so this is what was on it before. It was this UROTuning locking triangle, which honestly, if you know, if you give yourself the time and the chance to do it right, unlike me, this will work. I know it does, because it locked one of them and just the other two ended up loose. And these are the nuts that were on them versus the new nut that we just installed. You see how it has that like kind of locking mechanism at the top. I really hope this works. I am tired of messing with this turbo. And of course, everyone mentioned to get these Nordlock washers, I believe that's what they're called. These are bigger ones. Yep. And the end result would be this. So with that, we're all set. Wish me luck. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully no more loose nuts. Peace.